A great choice today with the 2018 Flex. Flex isn't just exciting to look at, it's exciting to drive. It hunkers down, puts a limit on lean, and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, all-wheel drive, traction control, Bluetooth, passenger airbag, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, cruise control, compass, trip computer. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.